So windy. Jesus. Cheers, mate. 5 things to expect when owning a Supermoto. Let me start off with the first lesson. The law. You must check your bike before you ride. We learned that from yesterday, even though I already knew it, and even though I already checked, I didn't check hard enough. Because if you haven't seen a video of yesterday, I was riding along and my sprocket is near enough falling off. So, oh shit. Problem. Check your bikes. You have to remember, where it's a dirt bike, there's so much vibrations. So things like they come free. I'm like leaning off the side of the bike right now. It's so windy. What the fuck? That's gonna lead me on to point number 2, and that's maintenance. You have to be ready to be hands-on. This is exactly why I bought this bike. To everyone who's asking why did I go for the 450R and not the L and this and that, and why not an EXC and blah 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 blah. The point was, for this bike, like, if I can't maintain this bike, a dirt bike, a motocross bike, something a lot cheaper than a brand new EXC, how am I going to maintain that EXC? So if I haven't something with shorter intervals and something I'm not scared to work on. In the time of owning this, I've said this before, I've done more maintenance and learned, like, not more maintenance, I've done way more maintenance obviously, but I've learned about 100 times more on this bike in the short time of owning it than I have in my whole time of riding bikes. Which is the exact reason why I bought this bike. This weekend, this Saturday, I am doing the valves. Doing the valve check myself. To anyone watching this who's like intimidated with getting a 450 or something, just know I learned everything I know on this bike. I really had like no clue on bike maintenance. Oi! What do you mean diversion? Oh, it's cool, we can go down. So if you're one of them people who are scared because of all the maintenance and everything like that, then you're seeing me do it. And if I'm doing it, you could definitely do it. This is necessary to become the ultimate Supermoto hooligan. Ow, something's in my eye, as always. And it's not my eyeball, even though that is in my eye. Anyway, to wrap that up, yeah, you must be prepared to do your maintenance and learn and everything. And it'll bring you closer to your bike. It'll make the bike feel more like it is your bike. You'll feel more one with your bike, 100%. Number 3, you will learn to wheelie. You will become a hooligan. That inner hooligan will be brought out of you to a whole new level that you didn't even realize could even happen. These bikes, yeah, are like if you was to be 6 years old and drink 3 Monsters. That's what this bike is for us, adults. And make you into a hyperactive kid. And then you'll meet more people like that as well. And then when there's more than one of you, that's a good time.
A few moments later.
Oh, you've got wheelies on it?
Yeah.
Do you want down there? What, is the camera on?
Yeah, it's on now. That is what you can also expect. Everyone, do a wheelie, do a wheelie. Oh, the views. Oh, the road. Oh, actually, the road. What the fuck? Yo. I'm gonna die. Oh, I actually want to go this way. Yeah, number 3 is going to be the fact that everyone wants to see a wheelie. So you better learn. 4, half of us don't have kickstands. I take advantage of the no kickstand life. Because look at that. How are you going to get away with leaning the bike up against something when you have a kickstand? No. Supermoto lifestyle. No kickstand. Make it known that it's an MX Supermoto conversion and not an Enduro. and then she's just leaning up against the wall. Anyway, I have no idea what point we was on. Been out here taking in the nature. It's a bit windy. Ooh, I got a text off the main man himself, Bowley Big 450. Guys eyeing up the Supermoto, as he should. Say that as number 4. The bike gets a lot of attention, good and bad. More good than bad, but yeah, it does get a lot of attention. Why does my mask feel weird? Where's all this traffic coming from? Sometimes the attention's like disappointing, where you expect people to like appreciate the Supermoto and they don't. They just don't care. It's out. They just see it as like a dirt bike. They're just like, what is that, a 450? I'm like, yeah. Let me get to a good point actually. This is probably gonna be the last point, but it's gonna be a long point. This point will never be over, because every day on the Supermoto is an eventful day. Something always happens. Something always happens. It's so windy. It's a tough time trying to wheelie today. Woo! Can never get over that house. They've even got a side stairs like fire exit. Flipping out. Oh, so yeah. Every day out on the Supermoto is an eventful one. It makes every day an adventure. No. Yes. It's been a bit of an off day for the wheelies, I can't lie. Actually hurt my nuts doing that wheelie. My bag slapped me in the bing. That was a better wheelie. Oh, my trousers are falling down. Yo! That was a nice one. Look at my whole bike like this. That was scary. Knee down. Little wheelie for them. Ah, yes. Anyway, smash the like, comment down below, see you next video. Bye bye.